New tonight, every week, a group of Valley residents and Winter Texans make their way down south to help those in need. As CBS 4's Maribel Gonzalez explains, this clinic wants to bring much-needed health care to people on both sides of the border.
The sign here, which reads, "Two cultures united with the same objective," can perfectly sum up what this clinic stands for. It's a place where altruism and compassion knows no border. About 6 blocks from the busy downtown streets of Nuevo Progreso and a short drive from the U.S.-Mexico border lies a small building. It's known as the Mabel's Free Clinic. Every week, a group of volunteers, many of them Winter Texans, drive down from Weslaco. Their mission, to help locals in the area.
It's just heartbreaking to see these people who say if it wasn't for you, there wouldn't be anybody. There would be no help.
At the clinic, Mexican residents can get dental work, medical checkups, and even pay a visit to the eye doctor. For many residents in the area, this is the only place where they can get medical attention.
Because there are lots of people who doesn't have any money and they don't have anything to go see the doctors, so they all come here.
Garza lives in Rio Bravo, but she makes the long drive, sometimes up to 2 times a week, to keep her husband's diabetes in check.
It's important for all the people here in Mexico.
The clinic treats an average of 50 patients per day, and that includes children. These services are sustained thanks to public donation. It costs about $35,000 per year to keep the place running. The money goes towards supplies and paying the medical staff, who earn much less than if they were at their regular practices. But for the doctors, who are Mexican nationals, it's not about the pay.
Nuestra área médica siempre tiene que ser enfocada a la humanidad y hay gente que a veces no puede costear o pagar un servicio médico y es la manera que nosotros podemos ayudarlo.
The same sentiment is shared by the volunteers from Texas, like Valley resident Diane Zacco, who's been coming to the clinic for 10 years.
It's really nice to see people, particularly the elderly, that have no glasses, have never had any glasses, and to be able to come down here and finally see.
All of this was started by a woman, Mabel Claire, and her sister Elizabeth in 1987 with the help of a Canadian dentist named Dr. Keith Routley. The sisters are still known to many in the neighborhood as the Angels of the Valley. Mabel and Routley were buried on the property, and over 30 years later, their vision of a place where those in need can get free medical help lives on. For CBS 4 Valley at 6, I'm Maribel Gonzalez.
Volunteers also travel from Canada to help with the clinic, and if you're interested in volunteering, you can give them a call at 502-3700.